My name is Bilal Ismail. I'm the Area Sales Manager for EKD Systems GmbH for Asia, except China. I'm Singaporean and I'm based in Singapore, supporting the region. Yes, that's a good question, right? So the purpose of progressive improvement of the chain is that it requires very little maintenance. The idea is to fix and forget. Yeah, so especially in the plastic range, you do not have to grease, you don't have to lubricate, but it requires a few things that you need to do. One is, when the machine stops for some time, you have other people coming in to maintain the machines. They bring in tool bag, they bring in tools. So when they finish their job, before you move again, do a pre-inspection. Very important, because sometimes this chain is a small part of the machine, but the machine has all sorts of maintenance, repair. So when people come in, they bring in a lot of things. If they don't clear everything and you don't do a pre-inspection to make sure the path of the chain is clear, then you'll have problems. Secondly is, along the way, if this is a machine continuously running, whenever you have a chance, just do a bit of condition and monitoring of the chain. That's all. You don't have to lubricate, you don't have to grease. You just have to make sure that the chain is left free to run, nothing obstructing it, then it should be fine. Yes, again, the sixth factor. The last factor, environment. Whether it is outdoor, under ice and snow, summer, winter, yeah, not only the cable chain selection, the cable selection is also important. So that is where, with the collaboration of EKD Systems and HELUKABEL, we have a wide range of product to allow you to operate in different conditions.